Hello everyone, today we are going to complete exercises of chapter number 9, The Wizard of Oz from वर्कबुक। यहाँ पर आपको एक पैसेज दिया है और उसके बेस पर आपको क्या करना है। ये जो पैसेज है ना, वो पैसेज एक्चुअली एक आर्टिकल है फ्रॉम अ ट्रैवल मैगजीन, ठीक है। तो उसके बेस पर आपको एक एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व करनी है। कॉम्प्रिहेंशन ए, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विथ वर्ड्स फ्रॉम पैसेज। फर्स्ट, द कुतुब मीनार इज एन यूनेस्को वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट. Second, the construction of this minaret are started in 1192 by Qutb-ud-Din Aibak. Then third, it is 73-meter high and have 5 stories. Fourth, the base of minaret is 15 meter. Fifth, the ground floor of minaret is a mosque. Then answer the questions. First, what material is the Qutub Minar made of? It is made up of red sandstone, marble and sandstone. Then second, what architecture does it represent? It represents Islamic architecture. Third, what makes the Ashoka pillar a wonder? It has not rusted even after so many centuries. Then fifth, find words in the passage that mean the following. First, strange or unusual. It means curious. B, legacy, heritage. Then vocabulary, French words in English. Match the French words with their meanings. A la mode, इसका match है G. The latest fashion. Then souvenir, E. Something that helps you recall a trip or an event. Then third, en route, I, on the way. Bouquet, G, a bunch of flowers. Then mouse, actually ये moose है. C, a kind of desert. Six, matinee. B, an afternoon show. Then eclair, F, a cream and chocolate icing pastry. एक eclair करके chocolate भी आती है. Then chauffeur, A, a driver of a car. Then tete, D, tete, D. It is a private conversation. Then bureau, H, a wooden desk or an office. Then grammar, direct and reported speech. So when we report the exact word of a speaker as they were spoken, we call it direct speech. ठीक है. And when we report what somebody said in our own words, we call it reported speech. So let's see. Identify whether the following sentences are in direct speech or reported speech. One has been done for you. First, please give me the railway timetable. The passenger said the clerk. ये क्या हुआ? Direct speech. Then, Sunita remarked how quickly they had reached their destination. ये हुआ reported speech. Third, do you like going to the beach? He asked. Direct speech. Fourth, the guide asked the boys if they had spotted any tigers in the forest. Reported speech. अगर हम लोग डायरेक्टली बात करें तो वो क्या हुआ? डायरेक्ट स्पीच. और हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? कोई इंसिडेंट या फिर कोई बात है, किसी दूसरे को बोल रहे हैं, बता रहे हैं. दैट इज रिपोर्टेड स्पीच. माई कजन सेड आई विल ड्रॉप यू एट द एयरपोर्ट. डायरेक्ट स्पीच. देन नेक्स्ट, reporting verbs. A verb that reports the words of the speaker is called reporting verb. जैसे example है, the tourist said, the little girl complained, Juhi remarked. ये जो है said, complained, remark are reporting verb. जैसे कि यहाँ पर examples दी है, announced, replied, stated, exclaimed, suggested, explained, offered, promised, advised. ये सारे किस चीज़ के example है? reporting verbs के. Then match reporting verbs with their meaning. First, advice. B, guided or suggested. Second, requested. E, asked for something politely. Then promised. A, said that you would certainly do something. Fourth, announced. Said something publicly. Fifth, exclaimed. Express a strong feeling. Then next exercise. Some reporting verbs are given in the box. Choose the most appropriate reporting verb to report the following sentences. जैसे यहाँ पे लिखा है, I would go on a long holiday if I were you. advised. Second, can you help me plan my trip, please? Requested. Correct. Then, get off the train if you can't show me your ticket. Ordered. Fourth, watch out. The path looks slippery. Cautioned. Fifth, you were right. It was a mistake to take this flight. Admitted. Six, okay. You can join us on our mountaineering trip. Agreed. देन इन्वर्टेड कॉमाज. अब ये सारी चीज़ें तुम लोगों को पता है कि इन्वर्टेड कॉमा हम लोग कब यूज़ करते हैं? डायरेक्ट स्पीच में. द गाइड अनाउंस्ड. तो उसका जो डायरेक्ट स्पीच है वो हम क्या करते हैं? हम लोग इन्वर्टेड कॉमा में लिखते हैं. देन rewrite the sentences correctly using inverted commas and other punctuation mark. तो यहाँ पर जो मैंने करेक्ट किया है वो मैं आपको पढ़ के दिखाती हूँ. ओके. Did you visit the Eiffel Tower? My friend asked me. यहाँ पर देखो इन्वर्टेड कॉमास यूज़ किए हैं, फुल स्टॉप यूज़ किया है. सेकंड, और क्वेश्चन मार्क भी यूज़ किया है. देन व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल व्यू. ये एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क चाहिए यहाँ पर. शी एक्सक्लेम. सो इन्वर्टेड कॉमा में लिखा है व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल व्यू. देन exclamation mark, she exclaimed. Third, I will reach home tomorrow, he said. Fourth, I have just finished reading Ruskin Bond's story The Night Train at Deoli. अब यहाँ पे देखो कैसे लिखा है. I have just finished reading Ruskin Bond's story. और वो जो स्टोरी है उसको क्या लिखा है? इन्वर्टेड कॉमा में लिखा है. The Night Train at Deoli. Fifth, a well-known quote by Benjamin Franklin is. अब इनका जो कोट है वो भी इन्वर्टेड कॉमा में लिखा है. टेल मी एंड आई फॉरगेट. टीच मी एंड आई रिमेंबर. इन्वॉल्व मी एंड आई लर्न. देन एक्सरसाइज ई. चेंज द सेंटेंसेज एज डायरेक्टेड. जैसे कहा है वैसे यहाँ पे करना है. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस है दिस इज माई फर्स्ट विजिट टू पौंडीचेरी. ही सेड. चेंज टू इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. इसे हमें इनडायरेक्ट करना है. तो ये कैसे होगा? ही सेड दैट. That was his first visit to Pondicherry. Second, they admitted that they had made a mistake. इसे क्या करना है? डायरेक्ट स्पीच में करना है. They said, comma, then inverted comma, we have made a mistake. Third, the restaurant food was not good, she said. Change to indirect speech. She said that the restaurant food was not good. Then fourth, the children requested their father to take them to the beach. इसे हमें डायरेक्ट स्पीच करना है. तो ये कैसे लिखेंगे? The children said to their father, then comma, then inverted comma, please take us to the beach. Fifth, Lena asked Navid if he could receive her at airport. डायरेक्ट स्पीच करना है इसे. Lena said to Navid, can you receive me at the airport?